Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to duet with yourself on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open up a TikTok app. Then tap on profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the video you want to duet that is shown on your profile. Now tap on three-dot icon on the right side where other icons are also shown. Now tap on Duet. So that is how you duet with yourself on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming video.